In this video, we're going to explore the font color or the text color property. And what we want to do here is, well, first of all, let's give it a item here, and let's add some text in here. So we can say here, let's remove one of these squares, and then we say this is a square. And once we save this and go back in here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase here the width and the height. So we say 300 pixels, and here 300 pixels. Save this, and refresh. There you are. So you can see this is a square, and you might say, well, okay, this is nice, but we have maybe a hard time to read this dark color because it's already here. You have a grayish. We want to make this white or more brighter, etc., etc. So how can we do this? Well, quite simple. Basically here, for the color, we don't use font color property. That doesn't exist. But you might say, well, this is a quite common term, font color. No. What we want to do here is just the color. By default, the color in CSS understands that the color is related to the font. So we can say here, and then we can say here maybe the variable function, and you can use multiple things. I'm just going to use the variable function we set here in the CSS. Say dash dash color number 3. We save this, then it will get the white color here. Save this, refresh, and now you can see we have this. And of course you can use also hashtags here. Hashtag, and then you can do here F, refresh, or you can do the RGB color. So for example here RGB, and then here 25.25, comma 255, comma 255. Do this one. This makes it white as well. So you get multiple options. I've covered many things of color as well, how to add color, and you have as well the HSL, which would indicate basically a specific color. Let's say here, to make it red would be 360, and then we have here 50%, and then again 50% if I'm not mistaken. Let's save that and see if this works. All right, there you are. So you can see here these are options as well. So multiple options. HSL becomes more and more famous, and probably very soon will be one of the key standards because you have the hue color. So basically hue, saturation, and lightness, where you can control how bright something is. You will make this more 100%. It becomes white because it has 100% brightness. However, with the color, you assign only specifically the color or the font color that we have. So this is very important to understand. So if you have this, refresh, there you are. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.